On my last video, some of you asked me how I sharpen my tools and what sharpening stones I use, and then I remembered about a video that I shot in January and never really finished. So I thought this was a good chance to put the footage together and talk a little bit about my sharpening process. This is green marble that I got from a local store, like a place where you get kitchen tools and accessories, and this is meant to be a cutting board. And just before buying the stone, I inspected it as best as I could to make sure it was flat, and there's not really much to this sharpening board. What I use as abrasive surfaces is a collection of sandpaper, and this method is called Scary Sharp. So these are not sharpening stones, it's just a flat piece of stone with sticky high quality sandpaper on top that you can find in several grades. Here I added some silicone bumpers to prevent the stone from sliding all over the table. And this is the honing guide that I use, and it's the number 2 from Richard Cal. The jig allows you to clamp and hold your hand plane blade or chisel very securely and will roll over the stone, or in this case the sandpaper, and keep your blade always at the same angle. I'm not like super professional and never studied or had any classes about any of this, so I just search a lot and try stuff that I imagine that should work for me. So I'm sure that there's a lot of people that have different opinions and methods for sharpening their tools. I'm now going to sharpen my shoulder plane. This is a strop that is basically just a strip of leather with some compound, and in this case what I have here is chromium oxide paste. Some people don't even use the leather, they just make some passes on a piece of MDF and say that it works just as well. This will polish and refine the edge a little bit so the blade gets scary sharp. And finally, the ultimate maker's test, shaving the arm to prove that the blade is sharp enough. Or you can also test it on a sheet of paper. Now I can put everything together and enjoy making some wood shavings. hope you enjoyed this video and hit that subscribe button because I have super cool projects coming in the next weeks related to musical instruments, home improvement and furniture. Thanks for watching and go get your hands dirty!